patient. Ready to insert? Ready. Insert. Ready to clean? Ready.
Okay. Ay, ang hand, hindi tayo. Huwag kang bukan sa chest. Wala kang bukan sa chest.
Hands on the top of the patient.
Ikan sa hand. Okay.
Hands on the top of the patient. Ready to insert? Ready. Insert.
One, good.
Ready to clean? Ready. Clean. Ready to leave?
Ready.
Clean. Ready.
Ay,
Left
left foot backward. Left foot backward mo tanan. Okay. The leader will give the order. What?
Ready to move? Ready.
Then answer to move. Ready. This three should answer ready. Again, ready to move.
Ready to move?
Ready.
Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Right.
You are not listening into one. The left, wala pa, madinin pa rin yung tuan. Ikaw ay wala mag-follow. Sige din. Abang mo dahil.
Ready to unload?
Ready.
Ready to pull the arm.
Ready to pull the arm?
Ready.
Then, what's the most important thing?
Side reps.
You. Don't do it, just answer me. No? Okay, answer back.
Hands on the top of the patient. Ready to insert?
Ready.
Insert.
You listen ang nag-order. Nga right, anak. So, ang inyong mga i-backward ron,
Right.
Okay.
Ready to leave? Ready to leave?
Ready.
Leave.
Ready.
Ready to leave?
Ready.
Ang hen, nagbitay. Wala i-close the chair. I-close the chair. Ay, bagit ka. Wala kang galit na close. May hindi man ako mamigil si Mrs. Chase. Mrs. Chase.
Hands on the top of the patient. Ready to insert?
Ready.
Insert. Ready to clean?
Ready.
Leave. Ready to leave?
Ready.
Leave. Right foot forward. Okay. Ready to move?
Ready.
Left. Right. 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 Ready to unload?
Ready.
Unload. Ready to pull?
Ready.
Pull.
Sige, di mana